Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to another video on Bitcoin Cash. Yes, we're covering it again. Has been quite bullish over the last couple of days, but overall no significant breakthroughs. I'll just give you my thoughts on the current market circumstances, both technically and fundamentally. I would say it's better to start off with the fundamentals, then you also get my bias a little bit, although most of you will probably already know my bias. But alright, I'll try to be as objective as possible. Take a look at the technicals and the fundamentals like I said. Overall, we are pretty much consolidating, but we'll dive into those technicals a little bit later as well. And before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me and become a better trader while also getting some profitable trades, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Bitcoin Cash. So as most of you know, I still expect some sort of a crash soon, a pretty significant one. I think this whole move we got right here was unwarranted. Like we got a huge move of about 200%, which like equals a huge amount of market cap added. Altogether, there were definitely some fundamental drivers pushing it up. That's true. But then at the same time, like for example, that exchange that opened with the backing of Swap and stuff. But then at the same time, I think it's called EDX markets. But then at the same time, some other cryptos were also listed on that. And they didn't get moves nearly as big as Bitcoin Cash. And apart from that, what we've also seen, and we can still see that right now, is that most of the volume that's coming into Bitcoin Cash is shady as hell. Upbit, BIT, SuperX, Hotcoin Global, HKD, Bitforex. Oh, BingX is not that, even though the confidence is low, it's not that bad. But, well, it's pretty long ago that it's been updated. But all of this volume would not suggest that there's a huge influx of institutional money. It rather suggests that it's still very much manipulated, and that at some point of time we'll get a big crash. Now, for now, if we talk about the technicals, we are still very much consolidating, and the crash might still take some time. I fully agree with that. I mean, if you take a look at and there's also still, I could be wrong, we still could get up to $350. It's a possibility, right? I mean, in the end, nobody can predict the markets 100%. But the thing is, I mean, right now, if you take a look at the volume, this rally and this move started about 3 weeks ago, I think. Yeah, something like that. The volume before that was around like always under 100 million. Right now it's still so high. So there's still a lot of momentum in the price. Once that volume starts to drop down, it's probably going to, I mean, once that momentum probably leaves the price, which is in line with the trend we've seen over the last week or so, then we will probably see some sort of a move down. Like I said, right now we are still in a consolidation between 260 and 300. The only way I could see us at this point in time getting towards 350 is if Bitcoin gets some sort of a huge move up to 32,000 and perhaps even 34,000. Then I would expect Bitcoin Cash to get up to 350. I just don't think that such a move for Bitcoin is likely in the short term. Long term, or at least in the next week or two, it's a possibility. But right now, no. I think it's more likely that on the short term, we'll actually get back down to the bottom of this consolidation around 260. I think we'll hold that. There's no reason necessarily now to break through that, but there is a chance at the beginning of the weekend or the end of Friday that we'll break through. If we break through 260, we'll find some support at 250, but afterwards probably drop down to the support level at 215. That's enough bearish confirmation, and then from there we'll probably start some sort of a downtrend. But I'll still keep you updated on that. This consolidation could also still go on for a week, so that's something we'll see when we hit 260. But for now, that's still my thoughts and my take and my analysis on Bitcoin Cash. So if you want to discuss that, let me know down in the comments. I'm always open for that, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.